बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Allamal Quran, taught the Quran. Khalaqal insana, allamahul bayan, created man and taught him eloquence. Ash-shamsu wal-qamaru bihusban, the sun and the moon move by precise calculation. Wan-najmu wash-shajaru yasjudan, and the stars and trees prostrate. Was-samaa'a rafa'aha wa wada'a al-mizan, and the heaven he raised and imposed the balance. Allah tatghaw fil mizan, that you not transgress within the balance. Wa aqimul wazna bil qisti wa la tukhsirul mizan, and establish weight in justice and do not make deficient the balance. وَالْأَرْضَ وَضَعَهَا لِلْأَنَامِ, and the earth he laid out for the creatures. صَدَقَ اللَّهُ الْعَظِيمُ.